Hello, today I'm going to show you how to test the RF system in a SATAR gun. I have two pistols set up. This guy's already in RF test mode. You can see the lights illuminating at the front. RF test mode. Okay. This one over here, I will now show you how to enter it. On all guns, you need to depress the red button. So make sure it's fully pushed in. No other buttons, just the red button. And turn it on. There you go. It's in RF test mode. So, flashes. RF test mode. So that noise indicates that the signal's fine and both guns are talking to each other. And you would like to have quite a good distance between these, 20 to 50 meters of hearing this between the two. And you know that the RF system is working fine. Just simply switch the gun back off and it exits out of it. And then when you turn the gun back on, it will stay out of it then. It's only when you hold the red button down, it will enter the RF test mode. Also too, a little testing mode in the RF2. Once you've entered the RF test mode, you can use the red button again to cycle through to check your muzzle flash LEDs, and also too that your headlights are all working. Whoop. And then blue. So yeah, just a little function to help you test all your LEDs in your guns. Now you can also too do this with our DT1 system. I have a test box here that we use. I'll enter this gun back into RF test mode. Holding a red button. Done. With our system, you turn power on and you hold down the black button. Let go, and then you're in the menu for testing all the functions. Simply go down to RF test, RF, and you hit echo. Same thing. That's to make sure RF system's working in both systems. And same again, there's no exit out of this. You have to turn the power off. Alright, there you go.